So when determining the cost of a bathroom remodel, it's going to depend on, all the product and different things you're looking to achieve out of this remodel. For a primary bathroom remodel, when it comes to a full gut, that's truly what our team is kind of specialized our process around going through a full gut remodel. But there are situations that maybe it is more of like a partial and you're looking to keep some existing cabinets, maybe swap out some tile and that old jetted tub taking up so much space, and doing something different with that. With KCBR, we're coming through to do the full gut. So we have our full team. We self-perform a lot of our work here, to where we'll do the demo and then, go through that entire process to the very final walkthrough. When we're putting everything together, we'll start on the very front end to get a really clear scope of what you're looking to achieve. Maybe you're keeping the existing layout, but all new everything, new cabinets, new shower. We expand the size of showers a lot. And that means maybe we're completely removing that big tub in the way, or we're just replacing that with a nice freestanding tub and still finding a way to give you a nice spacious shower, cleaning that space up, making it look really nice and serene, whether it's just like a classic bathroom remodel or whatever kind of the client is into. We've got lots of great options. We always like to provide, but not in an overwhelming way. That's why we take the time to get to know you, your style, what you're looking for out of functionality. It's your chance to make this like really practical for your daily use. And so sometimes you don't think about that when you're imagining a bathroom remodel and it looks pretty, but there's a lot you can do to just make it kind of perfect for you. Whether you need some extra storage in there, we can do great towers or nice linen built-in closets that look really great, but giving you some of that extra space and storage you need. There's just so many fun options if you haven't ever had a chance to look at our gallery of work. We've been doing bathroom remodels for a very long time. 3.5 years ago, we were Kansas City Bathroom Remodeling before evolving into KCBR Design Remodel. So bathrooms were our bread and butter. We were top-rated bathroom remodelers, continue to be a top-rated, but now offering more outside of just bathrooms. If you are looking to complete that bathroom remodel, the cost, of course, is really important. So we've got a really great process down to make sure we can get that bathroom of what you're looking to achieve in a practical way, and help align that with budget. And our team, being a full in-house team of design, craftsmen, project management, we all work together to ensure we are on the same page with your project, and that you're not starting with one price, but then once you start design, all of a sudden your price is moving up so much. Nope, we're all on the same page here and put all that effort on the front end to ensure we're meeting your expectations. And once we can move into the construction, we all are working together to make sure there's clear detail and everything's getting done as needed.